Welcome back to app tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can buy premium on Bumble. So let's start. First of all, open the Bumble app. Then go to your profile. Below the profile you will find two options. One is to purchase premium and the other is to purchase boost. Tap on upgrade in the premium section. This will lead you to various options. At this stage, you can select the time indicating how long you want the premium option for. There are options for lifetime, 6 months, 3 months, 1 month and 1 week. Let's say we go for 1 month. Then tap on get 1 month. After that, you will have to add your payment method and then confirm the purchase. After confirming the purchase, you will have the premium option activated on your Bumble account. Now you can enjoy premium features on the dating platform. In this way, you can buy premium option on Bumble. Well, that's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and don't forget to subscribe.